Another resignation email lands in your inbox. Surprised? You shouldn't be. Employees rarely leave on a whim. It's a slow buildup of feeling ignored, undervalued, and overworked. It's the unanswered emails, dismissed ideas, and unnoticed overtime that quietly drain motivation. The cost of replacing someone is huge: recruitment, lost productivity, and burned-out teams picking up the slack. But the real damage, it's to the people who stay. They lose a teammate, morale drops, and soon, others start eyeing the exit. This is turnover contagion. One departure sparks more. Most people don't leave jobs, they leave managers who make them feel invisible. The good news? Preventing this doesn't require a big budget. Just daily attention to the small things. Quick check-ins, genuine encouragement, and showing you care make all the difference. It's about stopping the slow fade before it starts. Build a workplace where people feel seen and valued. That's how you keep your best people from walking out the door. Communication isn't a newsletter or a quarterly town hall, it's a real conversation. When employees go silent, it's not agreement, it's resignation. If people learn their input doesn't matter, they stop speaking up and start checking out. Psychological safety is key. People need to know it's safe to share concerns. Take the Mayo Clinic's learning rounds. Teams openly discuss mistakes, building trust and lowering turnover. Want to fix your culture? Start by asking better questions in one-on-ones. Try. What's one thing we're not talking about that we should be? And then, actually listen. Don't get defensive or rush to solve. Thank them for their honesty. This simple shift makes employees feel heard and valued. When people know their voice matters, they're far more likely to stay. Communication isn't about talking, it's about listening. Make it a habit. Recognition is often overlooked, but it's a powerful retention tool. Too many leaders ration thank yous like they're gold. When hard work goes unnoticed, employees feel invisible and start looking elsewhere. Recognition doesn't have to be grand. A specific, timely thank you is enough. Great job is nice, but your insights in yesterday's meeting clarified our strategy is better. Companies like Salesforce use public recognition to boost morale and lower turnover. You don't need fancy platforms, just intention. Make it a daily habit to acknowledge someone's contribution. Encourage peer-to-peer recognition too. Link individual wins to team success. When people feel seen, they stay engaged. Recognition isn't extra, it's essential. Micromanagement kills motivation and drives top talent away. Hovering over every detail sends one message: I don't trust you. High performers crave autonomy, not babysitting. Netflix gets it right. They give context, set goals, and let people figure out the best path. The result? Loyal, engaged teams. Leaders. Assign problems, not tasks. Give clear decision-making authority and focus feedback on results, not process. When you trust your team, you unlock their best work. Autonomy breeds loyalty. Step back and watch your team thrive. Even with great managers and recognition, people leave if they see no future. A lack of growth opportunities is a top reason for turnover. Ambitious employees want to learn and advance, not run in place. Silence about career paths signals there's nowhere to go. Southwest Airlines invests in development and internal promotions, creating loyalty and low turnover. You don't need a huge budget, just regular, honest career conversations. Ask, what skills do you want to build? Or, what work excites you? Offer small growth opportunities. Lead a project, connect with a mentor, share resources. Show you care about their future, not just today's output. When people see a path forward, they'll want to walk it with you. Invest in growth, and you'll build a team that stays.